Hello, it's me, Joe Fully. Deep with Raymond. We are making a new career in Roblox in Airplane 4 that we already did Airplane
That's
3.
called Airplane 4. Now we're gonna click Airplane 4. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, before, like in the 3 seconds to subscribe, like, and comment at the same time.
We are make
2, 1. Subscribe, like, comment, everything else.
And the bell.
Now we're doing this. And the bell, of course. Can't forget the bell.
The bell rings. I just saw a noob there.
Yeah. I'm gonna get my luggage. Where do I have to go? Which one should I go to?
Go to that one.
Is there more?
Raymond.
Oh, 2. 1? Let's do 1 player.
Oh no.
How do I get in?
Go in that one. Raymond.
Which one?
That's one. That one with, yeah, there. There's 4 players.
Can I not jump in there? No. Oh, there's 4 players. 7! Yes, there's 7 people, guys. This is amazing. Ready, everyone?
These are all the persons.
That's me right there.
Yeah, that's my guy. I just
Airplane 4.
One last flight.
We're flying to... where are we flying to? Rohanna's in Airplane 4 right now.
Rohanna's.
Pappy.
Why is he saying wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey?
Eggs on bakey.
What?
What? You don't tell me you forgot.
It's the
big day! Let me remind you, we are flying to the Rohanna's. Get down here.
Go find Dad.
Oh my god, look at that big airplane. I like it. That's the closet.
You have to find Dad.
We have to go down the stairs. Oh my god,
I have done your baggage. Can't believe you forgot.
We have to...
You don't even have to. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the back, it's not going to the trip.
Oh god.
Oh my god. Making burgers. He'll make burgers in the backyard.
We need to do it fast. I'm gonna get a rocking t-shirt.
Let's go to the trip. What are we going to do? That's my guy there.
Yeah.
That's my guy. Just let him play with my guy. I already said because he doesn't have his tablet. He didn't bring his tablet today. It's already night time, I think. Let's ignore this.
How do I get the shirt?
When it show all a shirts. I think you just thought so nothing. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Raymond, go back.
No, everyone has nothing. Wait.
What?
Okay, guys, it's time to pack. Oh, now it's time. I need to get that duck. I don't think it's in my room. I'll go in the girls'. Yes, it's in the girls' room. I need to go down.
Is he gonna wear? Is my guy gonna wear the shirt? Raymond, that's Wait. I think